I was burned 5.5 years ago, sitting by my fire pit on my patio a week before Christmas. I had lighter fluid on me and the burn was intense. I did not think I would survive that day. I ended up with third and fourth degree burns to the upper 35% of my body. That includes my entire face. It had to be replaced twice as I lay in a coma for 2 months. And when I awakened, the nurse asked if I wanted to look in the mirror, and I said no. I didn't need to. I could feel the difference. I could feel what had changed. I could feel how I looked. And that is why I am so proud to partner with Allies of Skin now that I am in my healing era. Allies of Skin makes my skin feel beautiful. And then I look in the mirror and see the beauty as well. The founder of Allies of Skin is a survivor too, and it is his mission to make people feel good in their own skin. And that has always been my mission as well. I am grateful to say that I am in my healing era, and I hope that you are too. I love y'all, and remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.